Go.
Hi. It's me and Kobe having a mall day again.
And we're at?
Hi guys.
We're in Grandma and Grandma.
Hi guys.
Manila.
Say hi guys.
Morgan.
Say hi guys.
Say hi guys. Welcome to my Boracay.
Boracay.
Tata.
My vlog.
Daily Chubby.
Naka-lipstick pa si Ate Arya, oh.
Ay, where's Grandma and Grandpa? Where's Grandma and Grandpa?
Oh, touch mo si Grandma and Grandpa. Touch si Grandma and Grandpa. Touch mo si Grandma and Grandpa.
Knock knock. Say Grandma, Grandpa. Knock knock.
Oh, touch mo, touch.
Knock knock.
No. Yes. Of course he's gonna change. It's Kobe. He's a fashionista.
Dami naman kamot sa nose. Natutuwa siya.
Ba't ang tangkad na ni Aliyah? Para mas matangkad na sa'yo yan.
Oo, so tangkad na nga siya sa akin.
Galing ah. Uy, uy. Hello.
You say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. You say hi.
Mama, bye. Mama, bye.
Wait,
And?
bye-bye. You say hi first.
And pa?
You say Grandpa.
Bye. Mama, bye.
Babay na si Kobe? Mag-mall na? Huh? Yeah? Mag-mall? Yes? Pasyal? Yes.
Yes.
Ang gala mo naman, ang gala-gala mo.
Yes.
Pasyal si Kobe?
Hi guys.
Daddy,
Yes.
go, Daddy.
Car? Car agad?
Baka may galit pa si Kuya.
Ano yung nasira mo sa ano?
Ito yung sana sila ko nandiyan. Sabi ko sorry.
At least hindi mo
Ano ba yan?
iniwan.
Nilipat ko naman yung rosary niya.
Balik eh. May utang ka sa
Nahulog mo
kanya.
may rosary.
Oh, pagdating mo sa langit yan, yung sasalubong sa'yo.
Ikaw yung ano Tato, ikaw yung nalang kumausap.
May
dito,
utang ka sa akin.
Kay Kuya Reynaldo. Natatawa siya. Nasira.
Kobe! Oh, flying kiss na kay Grandma and Grandpa. Flying kiss. Wow.
Say bye grandma. Bye grandpa.
April 9.
Bye!
Ma, April 9 si Ronaldo.
Si Reynaldo. Magkasunod sila ng birthday ni Tita Maji.
Bye.
Si!
Who's that?
Oh, go to the car na. Okay, oh. Paalam ka na kay Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye po.
Say, Grandpa, go.
Si Grandma and Grandpa mo.
Grandpa, we'll go to the car. Sabihin mo. Grandpa, car.
You say Grandpa car.
Go,
Grandpa.
go,
Grandpa.
go.
Did you say grandpa?
Hmm. Oh.
Papa.
Papa.
Pa, car.
Oh, let's go. Bye-bye.
Love you.
Mimima. Mimima. Mimima.
What's that, Mimi Mac?
Mimima.
Hello!
Where? What park?
Saan man sulok na.
Ha! Ha!
No.
Ano yan? I know that I won't ever stop. Ate Ali.
Ay, Daddy mo.
Wanting now, falling for this picture.
Kaya. Sumaya kaya. Mommy.
What's that?
Mommy, I know
What's that?
A kite.
Kobe, look here! Baby! Kobe! Kobe, look, Dada, oh! What? Good job!
Oh, dirty, dirty. Oh,
Careful! Arya, Arya! Okay. Not like that, that's too much. Yes, Kobe!
Hop in the bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop in the bunny.
Careful! Go, Kobe!
Where's Mama? Yes?
It's not Kobe gonna be
Is Kobe what?
in Kinder City.
Can what?
In Kinder City.
In Kinder City. Let's see. But I think Kobe's gonna eat first.
Go push that. That. Mommy. Mommy. Where's Mama?
There, downstairs sa restaurant.
That's so nice. I want it. I want it. Oh no! Oh
Oops, sorry, baby.
Let's go here. Mommy, come here. There's the other toys.
Kobe, paano mag-call? Kobe.
Call mo daw, call mo daw.
Ano yung waiter ko?
Call daw eh, hindi call.
Raise your hands, eh?
Raise your hand, raise your hand.
Yo! Careful, ha? Oh, rice. Eat the rice daw, sabi nga ako. Okay. Here's, tama. Here's. Eat the rice.
You don't want that? I'll give a time.
Sauce?
You want? What do you want?
We'll be over there.
Where's your water? Drink water first.
Drink water first and then you go.
You want to go?
Yes.
Yeah, panalo agad ah. Okay, game. Rematch tayo, Ali ah. So, dapat
Ulam.
Basta yun.
Malapit.
Game, Ali. 1, 2, 3.
Light.
Shoes. Light at saka shoes?
Shoes light.
Light at saka shoes?
Lang.
There's a light. Wait, there's a shoes that's light.
Oo nga eh. Ano yun? 1,
There's
2, 3.
Light up
Skechers. Ano?
Lighting up shoes.
Light up shoes.
Ako din Skechers sa isip ko.
Skechers rin.
Yeah, yun yung OG na umiilaw na.
you have tissue.
Oh, game. Next. Ali, ano sa'yo?
Skechers?
Ano sa'yo? Lighting of shoe?
Yeah.
Ako Skechers. Sige,
shoes
game.
daw, sabi ni Kobe.
Shoes ka rin, Kobe. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Kids.
Huh?
Hala.
Ang bagal.
I was still thinking. Because I don't even know what I said.
Mommy, tata. Mommy, tata.
Okay po, ito naman.
Kobe, look at the mirror. Kobe, look at the mirror.
Is that you, baby?
Woo. Are you sad?
Huh?
Are you ouchie?
No, not anymore.
Kita mo yun, ha?
Kobe, no. Don't close. Where are you going? Where do you want to go? Where are you going? Where? Coves. Come here. Ano sabi ng dog? Ano sabi ng dog?
Kobe, hi! Anak, let's vlog. Baby ko. Okay, put it back, please. Thank you. Put it back. Put it back. Okay. Wow! Kobe can put it back. Wow, you like those shoes? Yes. Ah. What color is that, my love? You like those shoes? Okay.
Ganda ba ito, Boots? Yung color?
For me, pero more on street kasi siya kapag sa style na mo. Kapag mga ganyan-ganyan, maganda yun.
Can that fit you, Kobe?
Nga para komportable. Nga para ako naglalaro sa talaga.
Hindi mo feel yun?
Oh, Kobe knows how to put back. Kobe, you know how to put back. Yes.
Okay, sige. Pwede din yan.
Abby.
Orange.
Abby.
Orange.
That's a little bit of pink.
Black.
Can you visit?
Black.
Can you?
Thank you, love. Black, 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 black. Kobe, can you dance there in the mirror?
Ay, don't eat the mirror.
Kobe, no, don't kiss the mirror.
No, I said dance, not kiss baby ko.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, sus.
Guys.
Dance.
Yes.
Lee. Lee. Yeah. Kobe, can you say ate? Lee. Lee. Kasi ngayon nababadoyan ako kapag yan sa suot ko ngayon. Hindi. Okay ako dyan kapag suot ko, kapag sa pants. Pero, bagay dyan sa mga usual mong suot, yung white. Hindi. Kapag hindi yung street yung style.
Pag street yung style,
Maganda yan. Pero, kapag formal yung white. Or kapag normie lang.
Pero parang kasi ang dami mo ng halos ganyan kulay, loud.
Oo, totoo.
Because
Actually.
Tita, do you know New Wave?
No.
yan mo. Nanay. Gusto ko ate.
Ate? Ate?
Kuya. Gusto ko
Pagod na si Kobe.
pangapat na nanay tatay na niya.
Pupi, saan ka magte-take out? Okay.
May ano sila, cheats for dogs.
isang 10 pieces na siya.
Kobe. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do.
What's yours, Ate? Tapos isa, Kobe sa'yo.
Wala.
Mommy, come.
Wow, there's cats. There's cats. Oh, let's go to daddy na. Bye. Bye, cats.
Can you hold?
Oh, you want to go home? Oh, ha? Sulit ah. Ikaw pala may hawak ng ano eh. Oh, mauubos mo. Mauubos mo na yung fries. Daya mo ah. Yes. The fries, it's with Ate Ali. What? Your Sprite? Oh, I forgot your Sprite. I forgot your Sprite. I forgot your Sprite, sorry.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Si Boy Boy kulit, si Boy Boy kulit, si Boy Boy kulit. Oh, go na to, Mami.
Parang sakit pala dito.
Gusto ka lang,
Layo.
diretso mo lang padulo.
Ha?
Diretso mo lang.
Mukbang.
Diretso mo lang atras. Hanggang medyo mo. Yes.
Kobe, arrow.
Diretso lang atras.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Hanggang lumawag ka sa harap.
Hanggang
Oo, hanggang
You don't want this, anak? You don't want this? You wanna try? Milo, you wanna try? Nuggets?
Okay.
Oh, this one.
Oh.
Kobe's water daw.
Yeah. Kobe's water. Where's Kobe's water?
In his bag.
Oh, in his vlog. Oh, vlog. Get the vlog first.
Wow.
Oh.
Thank you. There you go. Wow.
Oh, we're going home and we're eating
Shake Shack.
nuggets.
Hindi ganyan, anak.
We're eating Shake Shack. Si Mama yung nagdadrive ngayon. Baliktad po kami ngayon. Eating Shake Shack.
Bagsak ako pagka ano ko, pero gigising na naman ako. Tapos,
Dati si Ali, nagising daw siya ng 2 a.m. Nagising ng 2 a.m. Tapos, natulog ng what? 4?
There's no more mahapon.
11 na daw.
Thank you.
11.
And then I slept 11.
Ma, what time did I sleep?
4.
Hmm?
Please.
Pato nyo.
Paturuan ko ulit ng sleeping pills, dalawang magkapatid eh. Kung gusto nyo kayo nalang magtrabaho. Gabi.